Welcome back. If you'd watched my earlier video on this Endmill grinding attachment, you may notice some modifications of it. Hello, Hazel. There is this device on the left hand side, which is a screw adjustment enabling you to move the entire thing left and right. Just clamp that. So if you slacken these off, you can move the whole thing left and right. Said I wasn't going to do this, but in the end I did. And on the right there is this, which can do two things. Firstly, it can clamp the tool holder block all into one unit. It slides, but it also has another purpose. I'll show you now. This is designed to address a single problem, and that is with a center cutting slot drill. As you can see with this one, this is a factory grind. One edge, one cutting edge is longer than the other one, which makes it really difficult to grind properly with this jig the way it was set up originally. At first I thought, well, you know, I can put it in here and I can just slide it across to account for the wider lip cutting edge. It doesn't really work too well. What does work reasonably well is this one here is one I've sharpened. If I set this so the smaller cutting edge is fully sharpened on the edge, so that would be there. And then turn it over. It's nowhere near right, just a sec. Pull that back to there. Clamp that, clamp that. Then I can, for the longer edge, I can just pivot it like that. Yep. So you grind that edge, and the longer edge, pivot it. It's not quite right, obviously, because what you're doing is grinding an arc and not a straight edge. But in practice it works okay. And this is one that I've actually sharpened using that method. As you can see, I'll zoom in a bit. It does a pretty good job. I've had to gash this because it was pretty sharpened down. There was no gash at all. But yeah, I find it works, and that's the main point. So that's it. It's a quick addendum. Catch you next time.